Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I've been good. Still working on the house. We are in the process of redoing the bathroom at the moment, and the electrician is here today. So I have some time to chill. So I thought I'd share this. So me and my neighbor, Diane, her and I went to a church sale about a week ago, and I bought some good stuff, but I'm going to show you one of the projects that I bought there and redid. It was the shepherd's hook. It was green, and it didn't have a center thing in it, so I spray painted the whole thing red, and then this center piece, if you look right there, that is a lawn ornament from the Dollar Tree. So after I spray painted it red, I came in and I just painted it blue, orange, and yellow, and then a different shade of red, and then the same colors in the flower, and then added this button in the center. And I paid $4 for it, and that's what it looks like now in my yard. That's one of the projects that I did that I've been doing for the yard. Let's see. This is the bowling ball. Had the bowling ball laying around the house. Bought this at the church sale, that little holder. And then I ordered some foil and some foil adhesive. And now it looks like this. Everybody likes that. I got a person that's like, can I do that? I'm like, it's easy. Okay, I'm going to show you Allison. And then we'll do on this. So Allie uses felt, which makes all sorts of stuff. Oh, and she made a mushroom hat. So she's always using felt. So at this church sale, walked in, they had a box full of felt for 10 cents a piece. I walked up with the box and I said to the person, how much for the whole box? And the guy says $5. I'm like, sold. And there's yellows and greens and blues and pinks and the rainbow. Oh. I mean, I think these are like $1 a piece if not in the store. I don't know. I usually find it real reasonable at Sam's Business DePaul or like the church sale. So she's a happy camper. And some have glitter and some have like this one. It has little like glitter polka dots. So she was real happy with that. And I showed her. Okay. Allie's got an imagination. And this is all, her little mushroom hat is all from out of her head. She thought of it, she designed it, she made it. So we got that. Then we got one little thing of flowers. And then these, they were a quarter. Purple, packs of purple little, they remind me of crocheted. So we got purple and then some red ones. And then this little pack of flowers. And that is from the church sale. Alright, let's move on to Michael's. Allie spotted this and said, Nanny, look at this. This was $3. So it's my first mixed media kit. So let's see what's in it. I haven't even really looked. So everything's on the back. We're going to check this out. It's in this nice little case. So we get 4 paint sticks. Nails, I can't wait till they come off. Oh, cool. 2 metallic pens. I must be talking yes. I classify that a pen. one texture card. Oh. One sketching pencil. One vinyl eraser. One sharpener. One golden brush. One, okay. One painting board. Oh, that's the painting board. 12 acrylic sheets. Oh, I bet you this is the texture card. Okay. That's a cool little kit for $3. I don't know how much it was. Was 13 something it says. It's really fading. But I paid $3. So that's a good buy. That's kind of cool. I'll probably let Allie mess with it. Got that at Michael's for $3. I thought it was cool. Then I bought this. It was all on clearance. I only bought 2 things at Michael's with them. And I already did it. I paid $2 for this on clearance. It was this rainbow. It was white. This was stuck inside. I got it out. And I just painted it. Oh. It's gonna hang in one of my little trees outside. But that was $2. Now to Hobby Lobby. I paid $1 a pack for flowers. Got 3 pink mini roses. And then purple and yellow. And then I got these. These were buckets. I have another one. Oh, there are both here. Got these, and these are like resin, little mini flowers. And then, oh no, these weren't $1. They were. Sorry, I don't remember. I'd have to look. And these little cute little trucks. Them and also, and this is funny. I'll show you the first gnome. Diamond was at Hobby Lobby before I was. And she bought me a gnome. And I painted him. And then, I didn't know she bought me the gnome. Because she didn't know I was at Hobby Lobby. Probably an hour before her. So I ended up with 2 gnomes. So I painted one, some basic gardening colors I like. And then I made a Packer gnome. They were white. They're only $1 a piece. So I got down. I have to spray them yet. I have to fix this little dude's finger. And then also the little pickup truck was white and I painted it. Put a flower in there. Why does it seem like oh, and I also at Hobby Lobby, they had, I think it was 60% or 75%, 65 or, oh, I don't remember. But Riley loves the Little Mermaid. I got her the bedspread, the stuffed animals, the mermaid, the fish, and the crab, the carpet, the wall stickers, a beach towel. Let's see, the bedspread, the beach towels. Yeah, the rug, a rug. All Little Mermaid related, because Riley loves the Little Mermaid for Christmas. And also, I got her, it's a little, where it's like a pillow, but the top is hard to, it's like a little writing desk. That was the Disney princesses. And see, the Little Mermaid quilt was originally $49.99. I paid $20. The little stuffed animals, I don't remember the original price, but I only paid $4 a piece for them. And I got her a little hamper of Bluey. She likes bluey also. What am I? There's some. Let's see. The bedspread, the beach towel, the rug, the 3 stuffed animals, the wall stickers. I think I got, yeah. So that's all put in a bag and stuck so she can't find it and put away. All I know is I bought enough that I have her birthday and Christmas done for next year. Because like the beach towel, I'll put away for her birthday in March. And a little princess sitting desk thing that'll be put away for her birthday as well. But that is my haul. Not too much going on other than that. I'm trying to remember what else I got. That's about it. But I thought I'd share it. I had to take these out and spray them now. Little Pacanoom. Isn't he cute? I think he turned out really cute. I gotta touch up this little guy's finger. I got some gray on his finger. So I'll touch that up. This was like a weird, it wasn't like a plaster, like the rainbow. It was more like, I don't know. It wasn't a, it's more like a plastic resin piece kind of feel. It wasn't like glass or ceramic. Like the rainbow was a ceramic. This was different. But I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, and be crafty. Bye for now.